On this mic device, I'm so nice, but something lethal. My skills enhanced by the mutant X gene pool. My hands steady and ready for and any who wanna see dude. But my mind sharper than Peter Parker's senses, dodging bricks and fences and shrapnel. Plus I rap well, been doing this and stuff, tissues and max cells. I'll double clip beside the front row and now they act well. And bobbing around, I see this guy's got that sound down pat. I lay the first row down flat and compact. Just for flows I make up and brushes with the foes I ate up. And all the dough I'll rake up. Call me the king and bake my cake up. And wake up to where the real fucking essence at. And where my real blessings at. Took my son's name and rearranged it to make my newest name in rap. But that's the only change in fact. I still produce tracks and spit blackout. Berserker rage and never back down. Low guns like extended clip inside that trap house. And no more low funds with ramble knife and slice up in that cash cow. Yo, we don't run, we drinking whiskey by the glass now. Eating Wagyu with Kobe. And yo, this shit is fucking child's play.